Weather Service in Washington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Manatee County in west central Florida, northwestern DeSoto County.
You didn't even bother relaying the tornado warning.
In Sarasota County in west central Florida until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Arcadia to 8 miles northwest of southeast Arcadia to 11 miles southeast of Magic City. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Arcadia and Southeast Arcadia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: DeSoto, Manatee, and Sarasota.
This message